It's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLC. Corners are traded in for curves. The GLC has emerged with a C-Class inspired cabin and sophistication, and a little taste for the wild. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, push button start, power tilting steering column, auto tilt-away steering column, and power heated mirrors. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,